Hello students, so I said I would give you more examples about our skills and strategies number 1, which is finding the meaning of words. So let's look at some additional examples. Let's start with number 1. If you would like to work on campus, you should go to the Career Center and request an application. When you ask for the application, be sure to explain your work experience. So here we see in the second sentence, we see a word that means the same as request. So request is our word that we're looking for. Request an application. And here it says, when you ask for the application, be sure to explain your work experience. So the meaning of request is to ask for something. Okay, and we know the clue for this was in the second sentence. The second sentence provided a clue. The clue was to say the word in a different way. Let's carry on. You can't register for the class late unless you get your teacher's permission. In other words, the teacher has to let you join the class. So when you see that in other words is the clue, right? We always said the clue is a little phrase. And in this case, the phrase is in other words that tells us the meaning of the word. The teacher has to agree to let you join the class. So permission means agreement, okay, to do something. So if someone gives you permission to join the class, they say, yes, you can join the class. If someone gives you permission to borrow their car, they say, yes, you can borrow my car. Let's move on. Many countries put high tariffs or taxes on imported goods. Here we see a phrase, which is or. That is our clue. So or tells us that they're going to repeat the word a different way. And what is the actual meaning of tariffs? Tariffs simply means taxes. Okay, so here we see that tariffs means taxes. Tariffs is another way to say taxes. We did not need to use a dictionary to look that up. We did not need to translate it. We just needed to keep reading the sentence. Next one, governments want to control the border. That is, they want to decide who and what can leave or enter the country. Okay, so here we do have a phrase, and the phrase is, that is. Okay, that should be italics. That is the clue. Okay, is a phrase, which is that is. That is tells us what the meaning of the word. It's also kind of in a second sentence. So they want to decide. So to control something is to make decisions or decide about something. Okay, so if you control your children's bedtime, you make decisions about your children's bedtime. Very good. Last one. The Morton Arboretum, a park where many kinds of trees and bushes are grown for educational reasons, is a great place to take children. So hopefully you see these dashes here are the clue. You can't really see when I put them in italics, but I will tell you that the clue is in punctuation, which is a dash, right? And so we know that the meaning of the word arboretum is a special park where many trees are grown for educational reasons. Okay, trees and bushes. All of this is, I'll add that in there. Okay, so hopefully this helps you with a little more practice for our vocabulary skill.